More than a dozen Chicago buildings are lit up in blue right now to pay tribute to essential workers, including doctors, nurses, and other health care workers. Tonight, we've learned one of them, a Chicago nurse, died of COVID-19. Good evening, I'm Jim Williams. That nurse worked at UIC Hospital, one of thousands of health care workers who've had the illness. CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli is live at the Thompson Center. Mike?
Jim, the president of the Illinois Nursing Association, was a friend and colleague of that nurse who lost her life to COVID-19. Just minutes ago, we had a chance to speak with him about this.
For the new nurses, they feel like she's like their mother. She's easy to talk to. No matter how much of an argument you're going to have back and forth, by the end of the day, it feels like it was nothing.
Now, Yi says the nurse who lost her life wasn't actually working directly with COVID-19 patients. She was stationed in another part of the hospital, so that just shows how hard it can be to corral this virus.
We thank them, and we also we're praying for the family members who are going to be affected by this loss.
Illinois Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike is talking about the loss of a nurse working in the front lines in the fight against COVID-19 at UIC Hospital.
It's a sad and sobering truth that the people who are doing the most to protect the society as a whole are also falling victim.
CBS 2 has learned that in Illinois, at least 8 healthcare workers have died and more than 2,500 have become infected with the virus. CBS 2's Charlie DeMar spoke with a UIC nurse last night about working in the time of COVID-19.
Because we weren't sure how to deal with it at the very beginning, we got exposed.
At least 2,533 healthcare workers across the state have become infected. But the number could be much higher since many of the state's reports don't list the patient's occupation.
We have been hit pretty hard.
So hard that Nurse Meza says she's one of just 3 nurses who've managed to stay healthy on her shift out of 24 in all. Dr. Ezike was asked about the policy on testing nurses and other healthcare workers in Illinois.
So there's not a policy at the state level. Each hospital has their own staff testing policy that they're following.
And just because someone works in the healthcare setting doesn't guarantee they've been tested.
There are people who have been working since the beginning of this, and maybe they haven't been tested. So again, I don't know that we know the full number.
What she does know is the risk healthcare workers face each time they suit up for work.
We know that we've had thousands of healthcare workers who are among the positives, and we have had deaths in our healthcare workforce.
As for the nurse who lost her life, she's been working at UIC Health for the past 10 years. She leaves behind a husband and 2 children. Reporting live outside the Thompson Center, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Jim?